Good morning. Today we are doing lesson 331 out of the book, and it is I will be solve equations with distribution and generic rectangles. So, first thing, let's practice our generic rectangles. So I'm going to do one, then you're going to do one. Okay, my base of my generic rectangle, this is my base, this is my height. So my base of my rectangle is 6x minus 1. My height is 2x plus 5. Remember, you multiply to get the inside. So 2 times 6 is 12. X and x makes x squared. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 with an x. 6 times 5 is 30 with an x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Now I add the four boxes. So 12x squared. These two boxes I can add together and I get 28x and then minus 5, and there is my answer. Okay. Now you're going to go through and you're going to try this one and then answer the question on Edpuzzle. Okay, next thing we're doing is we are solving our equations. Remember, solve means to isolate the variable. So our goal is to get x by itself. Okay, now we need to get these parentheses, but we need to get rid of these parentheses first. So I'm going to distribute everything inside the parentheses. Like 2y, 2 times negative 2 is negative 2 equals negative 6. Then to get rid of subtracting 2, we add 2 to both sides. We get 2y equals negative 4. Then to get rid of multiplying by 2, we divide by 2. We get y equals negative 2. And then we get y equals negative 2. Okay, you are going to try this one. And then you're going to set up your answers into Edpuzzle. Okay, our last guy is this guy. We are solving again. Once again, the first step is to get rid of the parentheses. So this is a generic rectangle. I set up my generic rectangle. My base is x minus 1. My height is 5x plus 6. So I get 5x squared, negative 5x, positive 6x, negative 6. Remember, multiply to get the inside of the boxes. Now I add these together. So I get 5x squared. These two, I can put these together. And I get x minus 6. So that's this side. So 5x squared plus x minus 6. This side, we don't change anything. Now, I see this side as a 5x squared and that side as a 5x squared, so they cancel each other out. So I get 43 equals x minus 6. Now, how do I get x by itself? I add 6 to both sides. And I get 49 equals x. And there is our x value. Okay, you're going to try this one and put your answer in Edpuzzle and then answer the one last question. Be sure that you skip problem 4 on your homework. Don't cross it out because we'll work on it when I get back. Just skip problem 4.